What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Let's start this video off with these videos and photos of this crazy and bizarre crash here where this driver just kind of rear ends this person so hard they end up underneath them. This is not something you see every day. Here's another wild crash for all of you. Believe it or not, the driver in the white car was actually okay after his accident. Unfortunately, the other driver had to be treated by the paramedics with what appears to be minor injuries. I'm just really glad that no one was seriously injured in this accident. I feel like every one of my videos has a clip like this where people are proceeding through when they can't see if a road is clear or not. This crash video was taken on the Portman Bridge going westbound. This driver is just absolutely booking it on Highway 1 and loses control and ultimately pays the price for it. This is what happens when you go colorblind for a fraction of a second. I feel like a bunch of you are going to shake your head so hard you're going to get whiplash on this one. This Civic has the audacity to park like this in the middle of a parking lot, thinking that, this is their own parking spot? Like, how do these people get their licenses? I would imagine that these kind of accidents are the most common in BC. Think about how much money ICBC pays out because people can't do a shoulder check. Well, that's unfortunate. Some people are just so impulsive, it's mind-boggling. Like, oh, I see a cab, I'm just gonna go for it. You know what's really not smart? Jaywalking in the dark with dark clothing on. You can barely even see them in the video. Check out the skid on this white SUV. I cannot believe this wasn't an accident. We all love some good instant karma videos, like this one from Bill on East First. This guy thinks he's just going to pin it past everybody else, but little does he know, the VPD are waiting for him. I'm not blaming the pedestrian for this one, but the problem with Vancouver is that there's so many bad drivers that when you're crossing the street, you've got to keep an eye out for them. Well, at this point, you might as well keep going. Okay, I understand why people try and overtake on the right here. This is really common, around bus stops and all that. The problem here is that you can't just ram into people to make your way into the other lane. Based on the location of this video, the moment I saw it, I knew exactly what was going to happen. When it comes to driving in Vancouver, you have to have the best reaction time just to survive your morning commute. It's crazy to me that this driver thinks that they're in the right here. Little do they know, in about 30 seconds, they're going to get a rude awakening. Now, with a brief word from this video sponsor, Atlas Driving School. They are one of Vancouver's largest driving schools with locations all over the Lower Mainland. And the best part is, for watching Vancouver's Worst Drivers, you guys can get 10% off all their driving packages. Just check out all the information in the description below. And again, a big thank you to Atlas Driving School for sponsoring this video. Why are people in such a rush to get to the gas station? The gas prices aren't even that good anyways. I wonder what all that extra space on the other side of a road is used for. Live fast, die young. Overtaking on the bottom of a hill. What could possibly go wrong? The last time I checked, police usually give tickets for this kind of driving. Hopefully that Jeep's rear wheel dampened the blow. So earlier on in the video, it looks like traffic's pretty bad. And it's all thanks to this one guy who doesn't understand the dimensions of his vehicle when he's parking. It's parked like this with the bumper out, and there's space for him to have parked straighter, but nope. With dash cams being on so many vehicles, you're basically on camera all the time. Another reason why I don't ride a motorcycle in Vancouver. I'm not sure where this white van thought he was going. You can see all this traffic on the right going through. He thinks it's this light, and all of a sudden, somehow he's in the middle of an intersection. Like, buddy, you're gonna have to avoid like 20 cars just across the street. This is definitely not a good time to be doing a U-turn. Are people really that oblivious to the dimensions of their vehicle or where their vehicle is in time and space and where the lines are? Just unbelievable. And let's finish up this video with these pedestrians just being complete and utter jackasses, taking up all the space on the road, no comprehension of where they are or who's around them. So inconsiderate. All right, so this is the last video of April, which means it's time for the Black Box My Car giveaway. And for those of you who are wondering how you enter this contest, all you have to do is submit footage and have it featured on my channel, and you're entered to win. And again, a big thank you to Black Box My Car for sponsoring this giveaway and for sponsoring the channel. And this month's winner is Mike. So congratulations, Mike, on winning $100 to Black Box My Car. I also want to quickly take this time to remind all of you that I actually accept footage from all over British Columbia. I'm still working on my BC video number 2. So if you have any footage from all over BC, be sure to send it in to me. And also share this video with other people that you know throughout the province, so maybe they can send in footage as well. So thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and you can also email me your videos at vancouverdrivingvideos@outlook.com. All that information will be in the description below.